The entertainment room, immersive experiences redefined. Welcome back to the Future Home Blueprint series by Dennis Thomas. Today, we enter the most addictive room in the home of tomorrow. This is not a place where you sit and watch. This is a place where you step in and live. Movies surround you. Music reacts to you. Games respond to your physical body. Everything in this room is built for one singular purpose: total immersion. A room that becomes the experience. The entertainment room doesn't have a fixed look. It transforms. Walls are made of intelligent nano surfaces. They shift color, texture, and depth in real time. You don't turn on a screen. The entire room becomes the screen. You say, "Activate movie mode." Now your space becomes a full cinematic theater with dynamic lighting, walls displaying panoramic scenes instead of flat screens, surround visuals that wrap behind and above you, floor vibrations sync to explosions, footsteps, and motion. Watching a movie turns into being inside the movie. AI-driven sound that moves with you. Sound is no longer just loud or quiet. It's directional, personal, precise. Each seat has its own sound field. Two people in the same room hear different layers of audio depending on their positions. Dialogue stays crystal clear, no matter where you sit. Background effects move across the room in real time. Bass is felt through the floor, not blasted through speakers. The system also reads your mood. Stressed, sound softens and smooths out. Excited, audio intensifies and expands. Focused, distractions fade automatically. You don't adjust the sound. Sound adjusts to you. Gaming without screens. Forget controllers. Forget headsets as the main tool. Gaming becomes physical, spatial, and real. The room uses full-body motion tracking, holographic projections, mixed reality overlays, AI-generated environments. Enemies don't appear on a screen. They move across your floor. Objects don't sit on a display. They float in your space. You duck, you move, you react, and the system adapts to your skill level in real time. Multiplayer without limits. Distance disappears. You and someone across the world can enter the same experience at the same time. Same environment, same interaction, same physical feedback. It feels like you are standing in the same room. Game night, movie night, concert night. Location no longer matters. The responsive throne. This is not a couch. This is a system. Your seat tracks posture, heart rate, movement, comfort level. Then it adjusts instantly, reclines to your perfect angle, heats or cools based on your body, activates massage when tension is detected, locks into position during high-action scenes. It remembers you. Every time you sit down, it already knows how you like it. Smart dining and nanotech cleaning. Immersion shouldn't be interrupted. AI-powered systems prepare and deliver snacks and drinks matched to your mood or the theme of what you're watching, and you never have to worry about the mess. Nanotechnology handles the cleaning spills disappear instantly, dust never builds up, and surfaces repair themselves. This room stays in showroom condition without a single effort from you. Smart surfaces that maintain themselves. You don't clean this room, it cleans itself. Nanotechnology handles everything. Spills disappear instantly. Dust never builds up. Air stays purified automatically. Surfaces repair scratches on their own. This room always looks brand new. No effort required. Entertainment meets smart dining. You don't pause the experience to grab snacks. The room brings the experience to you. AI-powered food systems prepare and deliver. Snacks based on what you're watching. Drinks match to your mood. Meals time perfectly with your schedule. Watching a movie, your food matches the theme. Playing a game, quick, energy-focused options show up automatically. No interruptions, no breaks in immersion. The social experience engine. This is a social engine. Host watch parties with virtual guests who feel physically present, or bring holographic performers into your living room for a private concert. It is entertainment and creation combined. You can record your interactions instantly for your social channels. The room even has emotional intelligence, tracking your facial expressions and biometrics to adjust the lighting and intensity to exactly what you need emotionally. Emotional intelligence built in. This room reads the energy in the space. It tracks facial expressions, voice tone, body movement, biometric signals. Then it adjusts everything. Lighting, sound, visual intensity, temperature, bad day. The room shifts to calm. High energy, it amplifies the experience. It knows what you need before you say it. The final thought and call to action. This is where technology stops feeling like a gadget and starts feeling like life. You don't leave home to experience the world anymore. You bring the world into your home. Before you go, I have to know, which part of this room would you use the most? The immersive 360-degree cinema, the controller-free gaming, or the responsive smart throne? Tell me in the comments below. If you're ready to live the future, like and share this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications for the next video in the series. You're not just watching the blueprint, you're living in it. The future home is not about walls, devices, or systems. It is about how you live. And the better we design that life, the better the future becomes.